Hello students, welcome back to your English class. I am your English teacher Anand Jatta. So, dear students, today we are going to learn the new topic, the poem of class 7, Mystery of the Talking Fan. The poetess is Modern Rubin. So, dear students, in this poem we are going to know about the mystery of the talking fan. So, in this poem, the poetess is trying to tell us about the mystery of the talking fan. So, first we will talk about the title. The title of the poem is Mystery of the Talking Fan. So, see the new word of the title, that is mystery. Mystery, it is kind of secret, we can say. In Hindi we call it rahasya. Mystery is an idea, the thing we can say which is not shared, which is not told to anyone, that is mystery. And once it is said, once it is told to someone, it is no more or no longer mystery. So, the mystery of the talking fan. So, we all are curious to know about the mystery of the talking fan. So, let me start this session by asking you about your fan. So the place where you are sitting, there is a fan. So you just tell me the fan is making the noise or not. Is it making noise? So if suppose your fan is making noise, it means it is a distant relative of the fan which we are going to study about in the poem. Yes, this fan, the talking fan. So your fan, if it is also talking like this fan, so that fan is a distant relative of this fan. So let us start the poem. In this poem, the poetess is trying to tell us about the talking fan, the mystery of the talking fan, with the help of two poetic devices. So first I would like to introduce with those poetic devices. The first one is metaphor, that is the comparison between two unlike things or objects, but they have something in common. Those two objects have something in common. And the second next one is personification. In the title only you can see the word person. So the non-living things or inanimate things are treated as human beings. So in the first line of the poem, you can see the poetic device, that is metaphor, that is compared. Then second personification, in the title itself you can see talking fan. So fan, we know that fan never talks, but still it is means the non-living thing is treated as living thing, so it is personification. Now let us move to the poem. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said. And I hope it doesn't matter. Because one day somebody oiled his little burning motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. So the poetess is telling us with the help of this short poem about the talking fan. So first, talking fan means a fan which is making noise due to the malfunction, we can say. So yes, see, once there was a talking fan. Electrical his chatter. Electrical, see this word, electrical as we know. And the another word in this line, chatter. Chatter means talking, बातें करना, बोलना, gossiping, that is. So the chatter or the talking of the fan is how? Electrical. Of course, electrical. Why? Because it is working on electricity. So the poetess mention here the talking of the fan or chatter of the fan is electrical. I couldn't quite hear what he said. The third line of the poem, I, it is for the poetess. Then in the same line you can see the third person pronoun, that is for fan. So he said means fan said. So I couldn't quite hear what he said. So the poet is telling in this line, I couldn't quite hear. It means that the poetess was unable to comprehend the talking of the fan, the chatter of the fan. As we know, because the language of the fan was electrical, and that electrical language we cannot understand. So the poet is telling, I couldn't quite hear what he said, but and I hope it doesn't matter. So obviously it wasn't matter for the poetess because she was unable to understand the chatter of the fan. But see, because one day somebody oiled, and again it wasn't matter for the poetess, because see, why it wasn't matter for the poetess, because one day somebody oiled. Yes, see, somebody, we can say a mechanic or electrician who came over there and he oiled the fan, and see what happened. Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor. So whirling, this word means rotating. So we know because of that whirling motor the fan is working, or we can say rotating. So that somebody came and he oiled where a little whirling motor of the fan, and see what happened. See in the beginning the mystery. It was mystery because the poetess was unable to understand the language of the fan. The fan is trying to say something, but she was unable. So here, after oiling the fan, that somebody oiled the little whirling motor of the fan, and what happened? And all the mystery was spoiled. Spoiled means destroyed. So in the beginning, when the fan was making noise, so it was a mystery, we can say, for the poetess. But once it was oiled by that somebody or mechanic, we can say, and all the mystery was spoiled. All the mystery was spoiled, we can say, after oiling the fan stopped to make the noise. So it was no longer mystery. And he ran as still as water. So here in this line you can see the first word he, it is used for fan. Another word still means calm. So in this last line, the poetess is comparing that oil fan with still water or calm water. Why? Because the fan, after oiling it, it was working very smoothly. It means it was not making noise. So it is compared with still water, or we can say with calm water. So dear students, it is all about today's session, mystery of the talking fan. So I hope you understood the poem. See you in next video. Till then, bye and take care. Enjoy your day.